Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice star white metallic coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, the mobile office package, the tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do have a Pro Access tailgate, which does mean you can open it from like this, which is pretty nice, and you do have measurements on the side for your convenience, lights in the back, and to open it, it is powered and such. And let's say you are carrying a lot of heavy equipment, you can just knee it up with your knee, and it will go up automatically. We do have mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped running board, side view camera, blind spot, turn light indicator mirrors, hood deflector on the front park sensing with two tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford Grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth or leather interior, plenty of door space, B&O sound system, 2 cup holders, 2 heated back seats with a 12-volt, 2 USB-Cs, and 120. And we do have 2 cup holders, as well as some arm space, and you can always lift up the seats if you need more space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats. The same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space. Memory seating for up to 3 drivers. We do get BLUECRUISE equipped in this vehicle. Parking brake pedal adjusters, lights, blind spot, and tailgate opener just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 30 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control right there. Looking at your main screen here, you have My View, Trip and Feel, your heads-up display, which does show up here. It just shows you your digital speedometer, time and temperature, or whatever you like. Gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Continuing to look here, we have a leather-up gear shift speed adjusters. That's also collapsible, providing you more space, storage, cup holders, wireless charging pad with storage, USB and USB-C. This does close. Nice leather-up center console. This does fold out for a nice workbench or a place to eat, whatever you like. Got plenty of storage down there as well. You have your locking differential, 4-wheel drive, and drive modes, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist, heated and cooled seats, plus your heated steering wheel, dual climate, 12-volt, 120. Clicking this, you do get storage there, as well as below. Storage above, leather-wrapped dash. We have our rear window opener, which is pretty handy, as well as our features for our twin-panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, as well as a garage door transmitter. We do have our auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, and traction. Looking at our main screen here, you do have your audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities, phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, power tailgate, apps general, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB27718, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.